want to start with a really cool chart that shows how much we spend on health versus what we're getting for our spending in terms of life expectancy. So this is life expectancy on the left-hand side versus healthcare expenditure per capita, so per person on the bottom. And we've got USA, which is highlighted in red, so we can see that one really clearly. And then we've got Japan, Switzerland, Spain, Italy, France, Canada. There's a bunch of different countries that are comparable in terms of, how advanced they are as a society in comparison with America. And so down here at the bottom of the chart, we can see most countries start out very similarly, rising in life expectancy every year, and everybody's spending a little bit more, on healthcare per year. So this chart starts at 1970 and it ends at 2018, just to give you a perspective of how far along we're looking when it comes to this year-over-year spending. And so we can see there's a really stark difference when we get into the early 80s, 90s, 2000s, really stark difference, and we diverge quite a bit from all of these other nations when it comes to how much we're spending and what we're actually getting for that spending. So every year from 1970 to about 1980, we're rising in life expectancy every single year. We're spending a little bit more on healthcare, but hey, if our life expectancy is going up because of our spending, let's do that. Let's live longer lives, healthier lives, hopefully. But around 1985, 1990, 1995, we start straying quite a bit from all of these other countries. And what is going on there? Every single other country is spending just a little bit more, but they're also getting more life expectancy for their spending. So when it comes to this chart and when we see healthcare expenditure versus life expectancy and how little life expectancy we're getting for what we're spending, there's a few different reasons that could be causing that big difference in America versus all these other countries.